Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, he says, how can anyone glorify somebody like Aurangzeb who put his own father in prison, would not give water to his own father, and says, if Samajwadi Party leaders want to praise somebody like an Aurangzeb, let them at least read what Shah Jahan wrote about Aurangzeb. Perhaps they would know facts. But I want to bring in Ghanshyam Tiwari of the Samajwadi Party, who joins me on this broadcast. We'll debate this in a moment. But Ghanshyam Tiwari, the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister says Samajwadi Party should expel Abu Azmi, or they accept that Aurangzeb is their idol. The Samajwadi Party curses the Kumbh, it glorifies Aurangzeb. Response, sir.
Good evening, Gaurav, to you, the viewers, as well as everyone watching the program. There are three important things. One, we look at Economic Times and read 94 lakh crores of investor wealth has been wiped off since September 27, 2024. This 94 lakh crore is not Adani's money. This is not BJP's coffers. This is money that your viewers invested in stock market after Mr. Modi and Mr. Shah said invest.
That is not what Akhilesh Yadav said, and that is not what Abu Azmi said. Sir,
can I respond in my way?
You can, but that's not my debate. Sir, that's another debate. That's happening on another that's happening at another hour. This debate is on what Abu Azmi said and Yogi Adityanath said. Sir, do you get my point? Sir, yes. There is another, what is happening in the stock market? Business Today is covering it. You don't have to go to Economic Times or any other page. Just read Business Today. You will get the authentic information. Sir, my request to you is, please stay on the question and on the topic of the debate. That's my only humble request to you. And if you haven't heard what Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath said, kindly hear him on Aurangzeb, which is my debate for this 1 hour, for this particular bulletin. We're having a different debate on the state of the economy. Feel free to participate there and talk about the economy there. But listen in to Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister. Listen.
Can I just say, or you want to just repeat yourself?
Listen into the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister on Aurangzeb.
I cannot debate like this, Gaurav. You can repeat yourself.
But you do not want to respond to... You do not want to respond to my question. You want to give what you have prepared. Fair enough. Respond. Whatever 4 lines you've prepared, go on. Then that's not a debate. That's not a response to the question I've asked.
Okay. Now, please, after 20 lines from you, give me 3 lines. Line number 1, and I speak to your viewers. Adityanath and the entire BJP is right now trying to find a ghost that will allow them to bury this carnage of investor wealth in India of common man's money. Point number 1. Point number 2, Adityanath model and Aurangzeb model are the same models. Adityanath follows Aurangzeb model. He is the true inheritor of Aurangzeb model. Aurangzeb bulldozed, Adityanath bulldozes. Aurangzeb committed atrocities on common man.
You are comparing Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath to Aurangzeb. Go on, sir. Yogi Adityanath is being compared to Aurangzeb by Samajwadi Party. Go on.
Let your viewers decide. Aurangzeb bulldozed, Adityanath bulldozes. Aurangzeb committed atrocities on common man. Adityanath commits atrocities on common man. Aurangzeb used religion for his leadership. Adityanath uses religion for his leadership. Aurangzeb disrespected his elders. Adityanath disrespects elders. Now tell me, what is your problem with these 4 models of Aurangzeb and Adityanath? Did I speak against facts?
Sir, in our culture, if somebody is a yogi, he's referred to as a yogi. He's Yogi Adityanath. Fair enough. You know, Hafiz may be a sahib for some and may not be. Fair enough. You know, a terrorist, Hafiz Muhammad Saeed, may be Hafiz Sahib for some. But Yogi Adityanath may be referred to as Adityanath. Fair enough, sir. But I want you to listen in to Yogi Adityanath, the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister. Fair enough, sir. Listen in. You're comparing Yogi Adityanath to a Mughal bigot Aurangzeb. Fair enough, sir. Listen in.
Which is not factual. Did I say anything which is not factual, Gaurav?
Sir, that...
समाजवादी पार्टी का नेता, आपका विधायक घोषणा करो ना, उस कमबख्त को निकालो पार्टी से और उसको एक बार यूपी भेज दीजिए, बाकी उपचार हम अपने आप करवा लेंगे। आज राम को, कृष्ण को, शिव की परंपरा को, भारत की विरासत को कोसना ये समाजवादी पार्टी का मानो जीवन का उद्देश्य हो गया। और दुर्भाग्य है कि इन्होंने आदर्श किसको माना है? यानी औरंगजेब को अब ये लोग अपना आदर्श मान रहे हैं। औरंगजेब का पिता शाहजहां अपनी जीवनी में लिखता है, अपनी आत्मकथा में लिखता है कि खुदा करे कि ऐसा कमबख्त किसी को पैदा न हो। उसने आगरा के किले में अपने बाप को कैद करके रखा, एक एक बूंद पानी के लिए तरसाया। और अगर इनको औरंगजेब पर गौरव की अनुभूति होती है तो ये लोग कम से कम पटना की खुदाबख्त लाइब्रेरी में जाकर के एक बार शाहजहां की ही जीवनी को पढ़ लें, देख लें, उसकी पीड़ा को देखें। हां, जिनका आचरण औरंगजेब जैसा है वे लोग तो औरंगजेब पर गौरव की अनुभूति करें, लेकिन भारत को कम से कम इस पर न करें और समाजवादी पार्टी को इसका जवाब देना चाहिए।
And the opposition bloc appears split over this Aurangzeb remark of Abu Azmi. Also, Congress Party MP from Saharanpur, Imran Masood. Now, allies of this entire bloc, within this bloc, in Maharashtra, the Shiv Sena, Uddhav Thackeray, and the Samajwadi Party, they're sniping at each other. Uddhav Thackeray said Abu Azmi should permanently be suspended from the Maharashtra Assembly. Uddhav Thackeray has actually slammed Akhilesh Yadav for defending Abu Azmi and calling him Danishmand. Uddhav Thackeray said, why doesn't the Samajwadi Party field Abu Azmi from Uttar Pradesh instead of fielding him from Maharashtra? Listen into Uddhav Thackeray. We'll get back to Ghanshyam Tiwari. I'll get you more on the story.
परमानेंटली करना चाहिए। कितने दिन के लिए किया है? बजट सत्र का क्या मामला होता है? वो 2-3 हफ्ता चलेगा, सप्ताह चलेगा, लेकिन परमानेंटली उसको निलंबन करना चाहिए।
अखिलेश जी ने आपत्ति जताई,
नहीं, उनको जताने दो। हम पूरे महाराष्ट्र ने उनके खिलाफ आपत्ति जताई है और अगर वो चाहते तो वहाँ से उनका चुन कर लाए।
किसी को सस्पेंड करने से सच छुपता नहीं है, ऐसे अखिलेश यादव ने कहा।
सच का मतलब क्या है? सच वो जानते हैं।
I want to bring in Ghanshyam Tiwari. Ghanshyam Tiwari, the Samajwadi Party is very stoutly defending Aurangzeb. Akhilesh Yadav, when a question, he's saying this is Danishmandi, that it's an independent opinion that's been given by Abu Azmi. He did not respond on economy when a question is about Aurangzeb. My question to you is this Danishmandi? Does the Samajwadi Party stand with Abu Azmi's opinion on Aurangzeb?
Two very quick points. One, you spoke about the reverence for Yogi. Now I quote आज तक, यूपी के नए सीएम योगी आदित्यनाथ के नाम दर्ज हैं कई संगीन मामले. This is आज तक India Today article that lists the reverend Yogi.
Okay, give me a moment. Abu Azmi is just reacting. Your party MLA is reacting. Listen in.
तो सतीश चंद्रा जी, अद्री तुरुस्की, डॉक्टर राजीव दीक्षित, डॉक्टर राम पुनियानी, अवध ओझा, मीना भार्गव, ये सब लोगों के कागजात मेरे पास मौजूद, इसमें रखे हुए सारी चीजें, उनके स्टेटमेंट्स हैं. जो स्टेटमेंट्स हैं मंदिर के बारे में, जो डेवलपमेंट के बारे में, मैंने वही बोल दिया कि भारतवर्ष का उसका जीडीपी बहुत अच्छा था और जो है उन्होंने मंदिरों को दान भी दिया है, जो लिखा है इसमें. ऐसा नहीं मेरी मर्जी से, इसी तरह की स्टेटमेंट मैंने दिया और चला गया मैं. अब इससे एक बात यह है कि आपने महापुरुषों को अपमानित किया. इसमें अपमान कहाँ हुआ कि मैंने कैसे अपमान किया? मैं कभी जिंदगी में महापुरुषों का अपमान कर ही नहीं सकता हूँ. मैं खुद ही हूँ, असेंबली में कई बार मैंने खड़े होकर बोला है कि साहब जो लोग भी किसी महापुरुष का अपमान करते हैं उनको छोटा मोटा नहीं 10 साल की सजा होना चाहिए, क्योंकि फैशन बन चुका है ये अपमान करने का. तो मैंने कहा किया. अब उसके ऊपर मुझे जो है पूरे सेशन के लिए सस्पेंड कर दिया गया है. मैं समझता हूँ ये नाइंसाफी है.
सर, आपने 2 लोगों का नाम भी लिया जिन्होंने छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज के बारे में बोला. और
देखिए प्रशांत कोरटकर और राहुल शोरापुलकर, इन्होंने अपमानित किया है. जो अल्फाज बोला मैं अपनी जबान से बोल भी नहीं सकता हूँ. मुझे महाराष्ट्र में है, उनको क्यों नहीं पकड़ा जा रहा है? मैंने तो जो चीजें बोला है वो ऑन रिकॉर्ड बोला है जो है, और अगर मैंने जो बोला है वो गलत है तो जिन लोगों ने लिखा है, जो आजकल भाषण करते फिरते हैं, उनसे क्या कार्रवाई? उनसे आपने पूछा क्या कि आप कैसे गलत बातें बोल रहे हैं? जो सही बातें, अगर कोई गलत बात बोल रहा है तो उस पर रुकावट डालिए, उस पर केस फाइल कीजिए आप. मैंने उनकी जो हिस्टोरियन उनकी कही हुई बातों को दोहराया तो मेरे ऊपर कैसे केस हो सकता है?
आपने कहा कि लीगल लड़ाई लड़ूंगा मैं, मुझे सस्पेंशन के लिए क्या कहना चाहते?
नहीं, मैं अब देखूंगा इसमें क्या रास्ता हो सकता है। नाइंसाफी अगर इसी तरह से होगी, मैं समझता हूँ, देखिए ये सिर्फ क्यों हो रहा है कि बीजेपी सरकार जो है ना वो हर चीज ढूंढती है कि मुझे इससे फायदा कितना होगा। कानून सही क्या है, कुछ नहीं, हर चीज ले जाते हैं कि ये ऐसे इशू लाओ, ऐसे इशू लाओ जिससे हमको फायदा हो जाए, पोलराइज करने की बात है। लेकिन सच्चाई पे चलना चाहिए, जो हिस्ट्री सही है, जो देश की जो सच्चाई है वो सामने अगर कोई बोलता है तो इस तरह से उसके साथ जुल्म जाती तो नहीं होना चाहिए।
आपके समर्थन में अखिलेश यादव ने भी ट्वीट किया कि किस तरह से क्या कहना चाहिए?
नहीं, बहुत सारे लोगों ने मेरे समर्थन में बात किया है कि जो सही बातें हैं, सही बात तो समर्थन सबको करनी चाहिए।
आपने सफाई दी कि जो औरंगजेब हैं वो क्रूर शासक नहीं थे, वो मेरा स्टेटमेंट में वापस
मैंने जो कहा था ना, मैं इसलिए वापस ले रहा हूँ कि एक इसकी वजह से पूरा एक बाउंडर खड़ा हो गया है। लोग मुझे टेलीफोन में गालियां दे रहे हैं, मैं फोन नहीं उठा रहा हूँ, जान से क्यों मार दोगे भाई? और अभी स्पीकर साहब ने मुझे सस्पेंड कर दिया। तो इन चीजों को लेकर के असेंबली चले, एक छोटी सी बात के ऊपर, एक छोटे से स्टेटमेंट के ऊपर जबरदस्ती का आप जो है बाउंडर खड़ा करोगे। इसलिए मैंने कहा कि मैं अपनी सारी बात वापस लेता हूं भाई, स्टेटमेंट वापस लेता हूं, असेंबली चलना चाहिए। हमारे पास बहुत सारे इश्यूज है अपने एरिया के, लोगों को पानी नहीं मिल रहा है, सड़कें खराब है, गटर खराब है, स्कूल का प्रॉब्लम है, अस्पतालों का प्रॉब्लम है, उस पर डिस्कशन करें या इस सब पे टाइम वेस्ट करें, इसलिए मैंने अपना स्टेटमेंट वापस किया।
सर एक आखिरी सवाल, MIM की तरफ से बयान आया कि समाजवादी पार्टी बी टीम है बीजेपी, और आपको लेके भी कहा कि उनके फेवर में बोलते हैं क्या?
तो मतलब इसका मतलब हम काम करना छोड़ दें, हम असेंबली जाना ही बंद कर दी, ये काम ही बंद कर दें अगर इस तरह के इल्जामात लगाएंगे लोग। मतलब इसका मतलब अगर मैं बीटी हूँ और ये टीवी वाले जो मुझसे आगे कुछ सवाल कर रहे थे या ऑर्गेनाइज किए गए थे बीजेपी की तरफ से, मेरी तरफ से, आप इंक्वायरी कर लो, मेरी ब्रेन मैपिंग कर लो, क्या सही क्या गलत है, फालतू बातें सब है।
Okay, I want to quickly bring in Ghanshyam Tiwari on this broadcast. Samajwadi Party spokesman Anila Singh, BJP spokesperson, joins us on this broadcast. Ghanshyam Tiwari, complete your point. You were interrupted when Abu Azmi started speaking. He's defending his statements. He's saying, if I said Aurangzeb is not cruel, it's on the basis of what historians have written. Those historians haven't been arrested. Those books haven't been banned. Uttar Pradesh former Chief Minister and Samajwadi Party Supremo Akhilesh Yadav says, Danishmand hai Abu Azmi. Response, sir. Explain the statement.
3 quick points. On your point of reverence for Yogi, one must look at Aaj Tak report that says the number of criminal charges that were on Adityanath when he became the Chief Minister. And if somebody wants to feel reverent of 153A, 295 and other charges that are 506, that Aaj Tak mentions, then they can be reverent. Point number 2.
Fair enough, sir. You want to call him Adityanath and not Yogi Adityanath? That's your point. You know, if somebody wants to call Hafiz Saeed Hafiz Sahib and Osama bin Laden Osama Sahib, and a Hindu chief minister if his name is Yogi Adityanath, you don't want to call him Yogi, it's fine. Go ahead, sir. Come to the substantive point.
Substantive point. Next is that if Adityanath or Devendra Fadnavis want to consider this as a hate speech, they must simply look at the report of India Hate Lab that says that just in last year, 1,165 hate speeches were committed. 80% of them were in BJP states, and 75% of them included events organized by BJP or BJP people. In fact, 340 events were organized by BJP. So if there is a competition of hate speech, just like competition of all kinds of corruption money coming
Abu Azmi, are you defending? Again, my question to you is simple. Abu Azmi, you defend what he said about Aurangzeb or you don't? You are not answering that. You're answering everything else except what I'm asking you. But let me bring in Anila Singh of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Anila Singh, sir, my question to you is simple. You understand basic English. My question is, does Samajwadi Party stand with Abu Azmi?
Your viewers saw that right in the beginning of the program, I said how Adityanath model and Aurangzeb model are one and the same.
Fair enough. Anila Singh, respond. Yogi Adityanath model and Aurangzeb model are the same according to the Samajwadi Party. Respond.
My Ram Ram to all. And the problem with Samajwadi Party is that they are into deep appeasement. And they want to appease one particular religious community. So they are going to praise Aurangzeb and they are going to come praise a Bhagwadhari Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh with Aurangzeb. Perhaps he doesn't know any history. of Aurangzeb. That is why he is comparing Yogi Adityanath ji with Aurangzeb. This is shameful. But I do not expect more, nothing more from Samajwadi Party, because they are the political party who appease terrorists, who appease the criminals, dons. So they are going to appease or people who love Aurangzeb. People who
no,
love
but the
Tipu
allegation
Sultan.
against
Doesn't,
the Bharatiya
just
Janata
allow
Party,
me a
Anil is saying,
word.
is Samajwadi Party, Abu Azmi is the B team of the BJP in Maharashtra. Sanjay Raut says because they were going to raise the Dhananjay Munde issue, that is when Abu Azmi made this statement, and the Dhananjay Munde episode went on the back burner, and everyone's talking about Aurangzeb. Respond, madam.
See, I know one thing, that Abu Azmi, leader of Samajwadi Party, he praised Aurangzeb. Aurangzeb is the same person who said that I will take my breakfast after. You know, he used to get, this is a very famous statement. जो सवा लाख टन जनेऊ आप तोलोगे ब्राह्मण्स के, whose head had been, you know, chopped by these people who did not agree to adopt Islam, then only he used to eat his breakfast. This is what Aurangzeb is. Who can forget? Like he
But
got
Ghanshyam Tiwari of the Samajwadi Party says Aurangzeb and Adityanath, according to him, are the same.
He says that Aurangzeb बहुत अच्छा आदमी था, खराब आदमी नहीं था. This is what Samajwadi Party leader says, and Akhilesh Yadav ji is advocating for him. Now they are saying that they do not want to discuss about Mr. Munde. That is why Abu Azmi gave this statement. Now Abu Azmi has become the B team of Bharatiya Janata Party. What lame excuses are being given by Shiv Sena, and above all, we know very well that what Samajwadi Party leader has said.